It's like in a fairy tale, something very mysterious and like I saw it only in the movies. And today our host from our homestay, he offered to give us the free boat ride, which was a very fantastic idea. So now we can enjoy this amazing view. Yummy. Зачем то? Новенький возьми. Hello, Haribo. I'm a little crocodile, and I'm very kind because I'm very little. Green eyes, many teeth. Can he bite?
Yeah, and then we give me on the finger, and inside is now this time on the baby, you know, he's coming.
How old is he?
How is it? 3-4 months.
Wow, baby.
Yeah.
Interesting skin. And 2 cute nostrils. Ноздри, посмотрите. Hi. Meow.
Ismail.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare
Hare
Rāma,
Rāma.
Hare Rāma, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. He's like, wow. Look at what is inside.